Hello, welcome back again, grade 7. Today we are going to learn a little bit different stuffs. We are still in angles, but I'm going to teach you about finding the missing angle if you are in a rectangle, not if you are in a straight line or even triangle. So we'll start with the simplest way possible. The simplest way possible is to move from straight line, then you go to triangles. So we start with straight lines. So we know that angles in a straight line, like here, we know that this angle in a straight line will add up to 180. That is what I mean is if I had a straight line and we have this, we have several, no matter how many millions they are, okay? This plus this plus this plus this plus this should be equals to, the total should be equals to 180. And therefore our task is very simple. We just use algebra to find the missing angle. We just use algebra, okay? That is if I had three angles here, and I name them A, B, and C, then A plus B plus C should be equals to 180. Okay, 180. 180 is not good. 180. Okay, so that is the thing that we are going to look at today. And if you know this, if you know that A plus B plus C is equals to 180, even here I can solve it. I know that 50 plus 60 plus X is equals to 180. Then I can solve that very fast. Let me solve that I think. So I want to find X. I know that 50 plus 60 is a plus X is equals to 180. Simple like that. What do I do now? This is a normal algebra question. This is a normal algebra question. What I do is very simple. 60 plus 50 is 110 plus X is equals to 180. Okay, 110 is 110 plus X is equals to 180. Allow me to wrap this for now, because I want to use this space. 110 plus X is equals to 180. So that means that I can take this 110 on the other side. If I take this 110 on the other side, it has got no sign. If it has got no sign, it means this one is positive. So if this one is positive, I can take this on this other side. Okay, and it will become negative. And if I do that, I'm running because I need that space. So I'm going to write another. Okay, I can bring it this way. So what I will end up with is X is equals to 180 minus 110, which tells me that X is equals to 70. Quite simple as that. Quite simple as that, and you get your mark. Okay, that's simple. X is equals to 70. So here we will have our X equals to 70. What about this? Okay, what about this? This seems hard, but it is not. Believe me, it's not that hard. It is very easy. I just need to know where I'm going to. So I know that this plus this here plus this is 180. But what is this here? I don't know this. But I can see that X is vertical opposite to this. So here must, not X, 40. So this must be 40. Okay, so now I can see that now this is a straight line. Yes, this is an angle in a straight line. Then X plus 40 plus 30 is 30. So it means that X plus 40 plus 30 should be equals to 180. Simple. Then it means that X plus 70, because 30 plus 40 is 70, is equals to 180. Then if I bring this on the other side, this will be X. I don't expect you to, this, if I bring this on this other side, oh, this is 180. It will be 180 minus 70, because it is 70 now. So it will be 180 minus 70 is equals to 180 minus 70. What is your answer? X is equals to 110 plus. You're done, you get your mark. This is very easy, okay? So X is 110. 110, you get your mark. Let's go to the next thing, this one. So I want to tell you something. This angle here, we normally call it exterior angle because it is outside, but you're going to deal with it in next class, okay? Y is called exterior. So find X and Y. This is a combination of both properties, linear and angles in a triangle. We know that if we have a triangle, if anybody gives you any triangle, I'll draw it here because later on I'll need that space. If anybody gives you any triangle, I'm gonna rub this. If anybody gives you another triangle, then the total sum of the angles in that triangle should be equals to 180. This is what I mean. If you have here A, B, C, then you know that A plus B plus C is equals to 180. Everybody knows this. It's something you've done since year 6. Okay, where you're cutting this side and then you bring it from this, and this, and then you join them, they form a straight line. And if it's a straight line, you know that a straight line will add up to 180. So let's watch this. So how can we find X? We know that this plus this plus this is 180. Simple, then I'll find X. Okay? Oh, I can leave this question for now. I can come and do this one. It's easy. Okay? I can find X and Y quite easily without making things complex. I know that this plus this plus this is 180. Simple. Or I can even start by finding Y, but I want to train you to be starting by finding X first. So I know that 25, my 5 is not quite good, you forgive me, plus X plus 85 is equals to 180. So 25 plus 85 is 110. Why am I sticking to 110? Okay, so I love 110 because even here it will add up 110. Okay, okay. I didn't like, I did not choose it. Just by default, it comes that way. So this one will be X plus 110 is equals to 180. So X, this number can even come to 150, 120. It's just that this one's are, they chose themselves that way. I think maybe my mind was set to 110 is equals to, if I bring this 110 on the other side, it is positive 110 to do minus 110 on 80 minus 110. So X is equals to 70. What about Y? Y, we know that Y, okay, I'll rub, I know that Y, I know that 85, I'll use another color. 85 plus Y, 85 plus Y, you know, is equals to 180. You know that, right? Because this is a straight line. This is a straight line, this. They'll form a straight line here. Here is a straight line. So 85 plus Y is equals to 180. So what which tells us that 85 plus Y is equals to 180. That's the previous statement. From here, 85 plus Y is equals to 180. Oh, I went too far. So this, I'll just go back here. 85 plus Y is equals to 180. Then this one tells us that Y is equals to 180 minus 85. Because if I bring this 85 on this other side, it does nothing. So it is like a positive here because it has nothing. So if I bring these guys here, I carry them and bring them here, it will be 180 minus, it will be this 180 minus 85. So Y is equals to, at least now I'm not getting 110. So Y is equals to be 95. If I'm not wrong, that is your answer. So let's solve this one here, which seems to be very hard, but it is not. I hope you give me, I hope we have time. Let me solve this. I'll just draw a line here. Okay, so we'll start with this very fast. Okay, we know that 30 plus 80 plus X is 30 plus 80 plus x. We cannot start by finding y because we must find x first. Is equals to plus x equals to 180, right? Then this is 110. 30 plus 80 is 110 plus x is equals to 180. Then this is x is equals to 110 or 180 minus 110, which is equals to x is equals to 70. So here it is 70. What about y? Y plus, so this is over. Y plus 70 should be equals to 180. Okay, y plus 70 should be equals to 180. Okay, so we have that y, I'll grab this, I'll use this space. Y plus 70 is equals to 180. We want to solve for y, which is quite simple, is that y is equals to 180 minus 70 is equals to 110 degrees. Note that it can come to any other number. This is 70. So this is 110 degrees. It can come to any number, degrees, writing degrees body. I'd rather leave it without the degree symbol. Okay, so it can come to any number. So y is equals to 110. So here is 110. Thank you very much for this video. Until we meet again next week. So I'll send you worksheets on the things that we've learned today, and we'll see the way forward. Thank you.